This video is all about one of the most important understandings as it relates to power retrieval. It's about how to use the fundamental constant of the universe, which is change, to create favorable change rather than unfavorable change. One of the two will inevitably manifest, as this universal constant assures us. But we have a say in which way the change will shape up. This is also the major missing component that is absent from The Secret and all manifestation manifestos. This is why they do not work. They are missing this one essential key that I will share with you in this video. In the first video of the workshop, I taught you about primal power and introduced this new concept to you as a new foundation for your lives. Now, one of the things I want to help you achieve today is to ensure that all the change in your life that will take place in every given moment, in every area of your life, will have a favorable outcome for you. Favorable change has several synonyms: evolution, syntropy, integrity, and higher order. And they're also synonymous with life, energy, and intelligence. Where there is a gathering of greater intelligence, there is a gathering of greater life force, which shapes things to a higher order. Greater integrity, syntropy, evolution. When things operate in this way in us and in some area of our lives, be it our cells, our closets, we feel better, we look better, we think more clearly, and engage more harmoniously. By contrast, unfavorable change equates to disintegration, entropy, loss of consciousness, or loss of intelligence, decreased life force, and one word that simply captures it all: chaos. There is order and there is chaos. Chaos makes us feel worse, look worse, and engage with life in a messy way that has no positive end. So if we know that change is always, but always at play, and we know that the change can go one of two ways, either reaching a higher order or descending into greater chaos, we can undertake to make the choices necessary to ensure that we bring order to every area of our lives rather than allow things to unravel.